Now let us look at the how scalability is limited by the disk input output operations. How scalability is limited by the disk input output operations. So throughputs and input output operations. So storage devices, they have fixed the limits on how many input output operations per second they can handle. So see, storage devices, we make use of storage devices. They have fixed the limits on how many input output operations per second they can handle. Now heavy read write operations, because when the load will increase, heavy read write operations will take place, and th- they will saturate these limits, and that is the bottleneck. And here latency will also come into picture. So mechanical drives, they have high seek times. Even with SSDs, if the application requires constant disk access, the CPU must wait for the data to return, stalling the entire process. So this is the disk IO bottleneck. So the idea is that when the load will increase, there will be more pressure on the disk, because of which the read write operations, it will further slow down, and the performance of the system will degrade. So latency will come into the picture, and this is how the disk IO, it limits the scalability, because after a point of time the system will not be able to further scale, further handle load. The system will break down.